Darling, you look absolutely divine tonight. I've been waiting for a moment like this.
The famous lips, an ornate mantle, two glowing sunset paintings, luxurious golden curtains, each piece simply itself. Ordinary furniture and art. When arranged just so, they form a face. But here, seen alone, they reveal...
Salvador Dalí imagined furniture as facial features. This velvet-lipped sofa, an ornate Baroque fireplace, a pair of serene landscapes in gilded frames, and cascading golden curtains were all designed as individual artworks. Bring them together and the pieces transform.
Inspired by a 1935 collage, Salvador Dalí built this room to be experienced from the side first, as a collection of extravagant objects. A red velvet sofa shaped like voluptuous lips, an ornate